Hello po. Good evening, Sir MG. Ayay. Hello po, Miss
Hi!
Ayay.
What's the name of
Okay.
your group?
Kami po ang The Symmetry!
Kanina kakasabi pa lang ni boss na sana merong cute na grupo. Di ba? Na para ano. So, sana kayo na nga yan, Symmetry. Kasi sa itsura pa lang. Di ba? Kakasabi mo pa lang, boss, gusto mo yung mga ganyan yung naka-bangs, naka-pigtails and all. So, let's see. Good luck, Symmetry.
Thank you po.
Wake up in the morning feeling like P. Diddy.
Whoa.
Gone out the door, I'm gonna hit the city. I leave, brush my teeth with a bottle of
You're all
Jack.
friends?
When I leave for the night, I ain't coming back.
Pero,
Symmetry. Lahat pa kayo twins or magkakamukha lang?
Twins talaga.
twins, yeah.
Totoong twins, friendship!
Truly amazing. Grabe, ha? Grabe. Bago.
Yung mga sayaw nyo, ordinary, pero nakanganga kami ni Friendship, ha? Nakagano.
Ang ganda ng entrance yung lahat, to. So, ako, napahanga nyo ako. Galing nyo. Bago. Something new.
Pleasing to the eye ang mga itsura ninyong lahat. Yung parating sinasabi na what can we present na bago considering it's season 4? Ilan na lang bang acts na natitira na unique? Eh, kayo na yun.
Thank you po, thank you.
Yes na yes! Congratulations, Symmetry.
Ako, it's a twin, yes, yes.
Yes, a big yes for all
Thank you
of
po,
us.
thank you. Thank you. Congratulations. See you sa next round.
Some were so synchronized that you would think it's really a reflection.